Hello, and welcome to another Smart EDU video. This video showcases the Smart feature, which supplements existing monthly detail reports and replaces both the individual policy transaction report and the month-end, year-end data features within EFS. Keep in mind that this video is a demonstration of Smart features and is not a guide for the entirety of Smart. You may contact our tech support team via email to obtain a complete version of the Smart user guide. We will be logging into the test environment to conduct this video. If you are unfamiliar with the login process or need to update your password, those videos can be found on our website. For additional guidance, please contact tech support by email or phone. Now that we are logged into Smart, move your cursor to the left navigation menu and select Search Edit menu, and then click Policies. This feature allows you to view policy-level data, including all filing methods provided by your agency. Keep in mind that I am going to use a test policy for my example, but you, on the other side of the screen, will input the policy number that you're searching for. Once you complete the basic or advanced search, and if you don't know how to use this feature, go ahead and pause and watch the video on our website. Did you watch the video? Welcome back. And if you didn't, no worries. Let's continue. Now, as I said, once you complete the basic or advanced search, all records that match the search criteria will appear. And to view individual details of each record, click Details. Now on to export features. If you wish to export basic data elements for search results, click Export Basic on the Search Results page, and that'll be right here. The search criteria will include the policy number, insured name, plain language transaction type, total premium, and that's anything that meets the definition of premium from the Insurance and Administrative Code, such as coverage amounts and policy fee. It'll include tax, stamping fee, total gross, effective and expiration dates, report date, batch number, broker name, and TDI license number. Let's talk a little bit about how Smart handles downloads or exports. Smart uses your browser and system settings to determine how and where a download is shown and where it is saved. For example, let's go ahead and click the Export Basic button. And as you can see, a downloaded file popped up at the bottom of the browser, right here, while yours may be at the top of your screen or in another window, depending on your system settings. We can either double-click or simply click once on the file to open the document. The basic export includes the data shown and does not contain all data points submitted. You may also reformat the CSV/Excel file to match your desired criteria. Let's move on to the Export Full feature. Export Full includes nearly all data points necessary to make a filing submission. To begin the process for a full export, you will need to complete the first step from the Policy Search section. Or if you've already executed a previous search, it is not necessary to perform the search again. Now that you've completed this step, click Export Full on the Search Results page, and that will be right here. This involves all data contained in the basic export and the SLTX ID or Policy ID, ECP and industrial insured selections, if a late filing adjustment has been applied, the correct original ID, inception and issue date, filing user and entry method, user and date that the last update was made. It'll include insurer, coverage code and description, the coverage amount, and this is the coverage amount by company, class code and description, policy limit, and reference or custom ID. As a reminder, the exported file may be displayed at the bottom or top of your browser window, depending on your browser and system settings. To open the document, double-click on it or simply click on it once as you would a basic export. As you can see, the file is taking a second to download, so let's go ahead and give it a second while it does that. Once it does download, however, you may format the CSV or Excel file to match your desired criteria. I can see that it popped up while I just said that. So let's go ahead and click on it together. Now that the download is open, I do have a special note for records with multiple coverage codes and/or insurers. For those with multiple coverage codes or insurers, exported data will be reflected as multiple rows in the export to demonstrate appropriate coverage and insurer amounts. However, the total premium in column G, and that'll be right here, will not be separated. In this instance, you must calculate premium amounts in the coverage amount in column AQ, and that will be all the way over here. You may identify this data scenario by observing the SLTX ID column, and that will be column A, the first column, all the way over here. The same SLTX ID will be displayed more than once, and it will have one row for each coverage or insurer combination. Otherwise, there will be a single row per SLTX ID. And with that, this concludes the Smart Export Feature training video. Thanks for joining me today. For more information on SMART or other Smart EDU videos, please visit our website. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!